This tutorial will show you how to make a custom nameplate using the library's Carvey CNC Mill and the free online Easel software from Inventables.com. You'll begin on a computer, making an account at Inventables and starting a new project. Then, you'll design your nameplate and set it up for cutting. Finally, you'll send your project to a Maker Lab staff member who will double-check it before sending it on to the mill. First, what is a CNC mill? CNC stands for Computer Numerically Controlled, which just means that a computer controls the process. And a mill is a power tool that spins a small-shaped blade called a bit and uses it to cut into plastic, wood, and even metal. You'll be working with wood in this project. To begin, you will need to set up an account at Inventables. Using your web browser, go to easel.inventables.com and click Sign in through Inventables. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account and sign in. If you want, you can go through the brief Inventables tutorial that appears on your screen the first time you sign into your Inventables account. Just pause this video and come back to it when you're ready to continue. From the File menu in Easel, choose New. In the Machine menu, choose Carvey. You'll see a few changes on your screen. The most important is the pinkish area in the lower left corner of your material. The Carvey uses a device they call a smart clamp to hold your project down while it's being carved. That clamp covers up part of your material so you can't put any part of your design in that pink area. Now set your material dimensions. Our nameplate wood pieces are 12 inches wide, 4 inches tall, and 0.125 inches thick. That's 1/8 of an inch thick. The last setup step is to set the bit we're using. There are many bits available, but for this tutorial, you'll use the 1/16 inch spiral upcut bit. Now you're ready to add your name. You have to be careful with your font selection, however, because the bit you're using is 1/16 of an inch wide. Any lines in your letters that are skinnier than that will not show up. For this project, we recommend choosing the Bibas font, but you're welcome to experiment with others. Click on the text and type your name. If your name doesn't fit on the plate, you'll have to make the text smaller. Use your mouse to click in an empty part of the drawing area, then click once on the text to show its handles, the blue squares at the corners. Using those handles, resize your name so that it fits on the plate, taking care to ensure that no part of the letters is inside the pink clamping region. Keep an eye on the preview area to make sure you're keeping the letters large enough to carve with the 1/16 inch bit. If parts of the letters start disappearing, you'll have to make your text larger or use a different font. The last step to create your design is to set the cutting depth for your letters. As a general rule, cut no more than halfway through your material, which in our case means 1/16 of an inch, or 0.0625 in decimal. Once you're happy with your design, give it a name, then choose Share, and set it to Shared with Link. You can send that link to us via email at norctc@pioneerlibrarysystem.org, or you can give it to us on a thumb drive. If you need help or are ready to have your design cut, just find a lab staff member. The staff member will check over your design and then set up the machine for carving. For a small, shallow cut like this, you can expect the carving to take 30 to 60 minutes. More complex designs or deeper cuts can take longer. Congratulations, now you have your own custom nameplate. To take it to the next level, consider painting in the letters and sanding the top surface a bit to clean it up.